Jared Simpson here with MarineMax in Hingham, Massachusetts, and today we're on the 2019 Galeon 405. This boat is equipped with a full hardtop, the power sunroof. This boat is helm, air conditioning, and heat. It's fully climate controlled. The boat is powered with a pair of Volvo diesels, which make the boat very efficient, and also incorporates a joystick docking system. Full array marine electronics package in this boat. Unrestricted visibility, where this boat is a one-piece windshield that was engineered specifically for this boat. Out on the bow we have sun pads for additional seating. Going down below, if you look at the attention to detail and the woodwork on this boat, there's not much like it in this size range. It's a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout, walnut matte wood finish interior. We have huge hull side windows which give a lot of natural light, which you don't find in a lot of express models. Moving forward, we have a skylight in the master stateroom ceiling, more hull side windows, huge sofa, starboard side small seat, access to the head from both the salon and here in the forward stateroom. Moving aft, we have another stateroom for guests in a separate head compartment, hanging storage, more windows so you don't feel so confined. Attention to detail, quality, you don't find much in this class that's built quite like this boat. If you'd like additional information, please give us a call, 781-727-0629.